Everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to stop saving photos to camera roll on Snapchat. So the first thing you do is open up the Snapchat by tapping here. Now this is my Snapchat. Just press down on it since it's a Samsung phone. Now I press down on it like this until this appears, and I tap on information. Take me to the apps info, where I can simply go to permissions here, tap on it, and then you can see camera. Tap on the camera, ask every time. I will refuse to give it access, and then I'll go to files and media and tap on don't allow, and that's it. That's all it takes. Now other ways you can get here apart from through pressing down on it is just to go to settings. Then from my settings, I go to the app I'm looking for, to Snapchat. Tap on it, and to bring me to my app information. And then I go to permissions and do the same thing I did before. So these are the two ways you can access the app permission to stop saving photos to camera roll on Snapchat.